Hi Gautam, how are you?
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Yeah,
I'm
good
good.
evening. Okay,
How are
so
you, sir?
I'm absolutely fine. Thank you for asking. So first of all, many congratulations to you for getting a job,
Thank,
right?
thank you.
So yeah, so that's wonderful news. You really made my day. Yeah, when you gave me a call yesterday and you told me that you have got a job, so I was so happy. Can you tell us something about your interview experience and how many rounds were there and what questions were asked?
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for you because this is all happen about you. If you, thank you so much, sir. First of
No,
all.
no, actually, yeah, it's all because of your hard work and efforts. Um, with your dedication and efforts only, it was possible, right?
And second thing is, whenever you post the job on your channel,
Hmm.
I apply each and everywhere on
Okay,
mail.
great.
Either they reply or not,
Hmm.
doesn't matter. I apply each and everywhere. So
Great.
after like uh, uh, 15 days.
Hmm.
It's a process with 15 days. I apply each and everywhere.
Hmm.
So finally, I got a call many companies,
Okay.
and I faced a lot of interview. And before this company, I also one place selected, but
Hmm.
there is some issue. That's why I didn't choose.
Okay.
And after that, yesterday was my interview at 12:30, and after half an hour something interviews goes, and after that 5 p.m. I got a call. Hi Gautam, are you comfortable to reallocate and all that? And you are selected in my company. So I
Great.
was really happy that time.
Hmm.
After 2 hours, I will. After I had call you
Right. Right.
and share the
Wonderful.
all thing.
Hmm.
And there are actually two rounds.
Hmm.
First round is a basic round, like
Hmm.
HR round, and after that, the second round is technical round.
Oh, is it?
So
Okay.
yeah, yeah. So they ask some question about
Mhm.
testing. Actually, I also mentioned core Java, but they didn't ask about the core Java. They
Okay.
ask only manual testing.
Manual testing. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, great. So can you tell us which all questions were asked?
They ask generally first they ask no what is agile methodology,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the very first level question they ask because I mentioned. So after
Right.
that they ask what is sanity testing,
Mm-hmm.
and after that they ask what is smoke testing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And after that they ask what is the difference between regression testing and monkey testing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And after that they ask what is the difference between white box testing and black box testing also.
Mm-hmm.
And after that they ask what is the difference between SDLC and STLC.
Mm-hmm.
And after that they ask what is retesting. And after that they ask they ask what is test scenario and test design technique. What are the type of test design technique and test scenario?
Mm-hmm.
So I tell. And after that they ask what is integration testing, and how many type of testing,
Okay.
and what is integration testing. And finally question they ask, and after that they ask what is ad hoc testing.
Okay.
And the last question was what is the name of president of India? For
Okay.
confusion,
Uh,
as a general knowledge purpose. So at that time, actually, I was not expect so that kind of question to come to me. So I take some time. So after that, after 2 minutes, I replied. So he said, "Why are you taking so much time? This is a very basic question." Actually, I didn't read about this. Actually, I read about this before 2 year ago. So that's why I don't exactly remember. Might be possible, maybe change or something. So that's why I take some time.
Right.
These are some. There are some 11 or 12 questions. Something they ask me.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me write all the questions so that viewers who would be watching this video, they can also
Yeah.
prepare themselves for the manual testing interview, right? Which
Okay.
is for freshers, right? So you have been
Yes,
selected
sir.
as a, you are a fresher and you got selected.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is your
Yes, sir. Yes.
first company. Okay,
Yes.
so what was the first question you mentioned?
What is agile methodology?
Okay, what is agile methodology? Okay. Uh, shall I increase the font size? Yeah, I think
Yes.
now it would be visible. Okay, then what was the second question?
Second question was what is sanity testing?
Mhm. Then,
And after that, what is smoke testing?
mhm. Okay,
And what is the difference between monkey testing and regression testing?
okay, so this was the difference that was asked. Then what is test
And
scenario was also asked to you.
yeah,
What is test scenario? Then,
and what is difference between SDLC and STLC?
okay, CNS. Mhm. Okay.
And difference between white box testing and black box testing?
Mhm.
What is what is retesting?
Mhm. Okay, so
How
total,
many type of how many type of testing?
okay, how many types of testing and
What is ad hoc testing?
what is that of testing? Okay. Hmm. Anything else? Any other question?
Uh, what is regression testing, sir?
Okay,
There
regression.
was also.
Also.
Yeah.
Okay. So these were the questions that
Yeah.
you received from them, and there were
Yes, sir.
two rounds, right?
Yeah.
Total two rounds were there. First one was
Uh,
HR round.
the basic round, introduction,
Okay.
HR round, and second one is technical round.
Okay. So two rounds were there in all,
Yeah.
and it was
Yes.
one day,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Great. And would you like to tell in which company you got selected?
Simpson IT company name is Simpson
Okay.
at Mohali.
Okay, it's in Mohali. Great, great,
Yeah.
wonderful. Right.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay. That's good. Okay. So apart from this, so you got 10 to 11 questions of manual testing. You had mentioned core Java as well, but still they
Yeah.
continued with testing questions only. Okay,
Yeah.
great. So anything else you would like to share with the community, with the people out there who are looking for the job? How should they prepare?
Yes, sir. Basically, I don't have. I'm not a good that kind of level. So we guide. But what जितना भी जो भी लोग देख रहे हैं, मैं यही बोलूंगा कि हार्ड जितना मेहनत कर सकते हैं उतना मेहनत करो, क्योंकि मैंने कम से कम 4 से 5 घंटे प्रॉपर तरीके से तैयारी करी थी,
Okay.
मॉर्निंग में भी और शाम के टाइम पे भी। मैं 2 टाइम चलाता था, जैसे 3 घंटे में अपनी कोर जावा पे देता था
Mm-hmm.
और 3 घंटे में अपनी टेस्टिंग पे देता था। तो
Okay.
6 घंटे में टोटल दिन का रोज देता था, पर
Mm-hmm.
डे, एवरी डे। और सबसे जितना भी मैंने आपसे ही सीखा सर, आपने जैसे बताया मेरे को कि जो भी आपने टेस्ट केस लिखे, ये पॉसिबल था कि वो पूछ सकते थे, बट मैं उस हिसाब से प्रिपेयर था, पहले से मेंटली बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर हो गया था। आपके इंटरव्यू देखता था, और आपने जैसा मेरे को गाइड किया था फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू में, आपने मेरे को गाइड किया था कि
Mm-hmm.
ऐसे नहीं गौतम, इस तरीके से करो तो हो जाएगा। तो
Mm-hmm.
उसी हिसाब से मैं अपने आपके अकॉर्डिंग चला, जैसा आपने मेरे को बताया।
Okay. Okay. Great. Great.
और मेन मेन ये सबसे बड़ी चीज है सर, कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए सामने वाले को। बिल्कुल उनको ये दिखना चाहिए कि कॉन्फिडेंस है बंदे में या नहीं। वट
Mm-hmm.
एवर दे आस्क, आई रिप्लाई दैट विद कॉन्फिडेंस। इफ आई एम, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि मैं हर जगह सही था, कुछ
Mm-hmm.
जगह में मैंने मिस्टेक भी की थी, बट उन्होंने वो चीज करेक्ट करी और कंटिन्यू रखा।
Right. Right. Okay.
और
So.
बेसिकली सर फ्रेशर लेवल में होता क्या है, मैंने आपसे भी सीखा है। और बेसिकली फ्रेशर लेवल पे क्या होता है, वी हैव टू स्पीक ऑन फ्रंट ऑफ। जितना आप स्पीक करोगे, जितना आप बोलोगे, उतना आपका कॉन्फिडेंस निकल के आएगा।
Mm-hmm.
बोलना बहुत जरूरी है। और मैं क्या करता था, मैं जब स्टार्ट करी थी तैयारी, तो मैं अपने लैपटॉप का ही कैमरा ऑन कर लेता था और
Mm-hmm.
रिकॉर्डेड करता था कि मैंने किस तरीके से आंसर किए हैं, क्या मेरा रिस्पॉन्स टाइम है आंसर करने का, कैसे रिएक्ट करा है।
Right.
सपोज मैंने आधे घंटे की वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करी, और आफ्टर आधे घंटे के बाद मैं उसको देखता था कि मैंने किस आंसर को किस तरीके से दिया है। तो ये बहुत काम आई मेरे साथ।
Great. Great. Okay. So it was wonderful, Gautam, to have sharing your experience on how you got job as in the testing field, and
Yes, sir.
few of the quick tips that you gave to the people, like they need to boost their confidence, they need to speak up in the interviews. So that was good. I'm sure that many people after watching this video would definitely get motivated for not only searching for the job, but they will also hit in the right areas when they go for the real time interview, right? So thank you so
Yes,
much,
sir.
Gautam, for sharing your
But
story with
sir,
us.
I have some question।
Yes, yes,
लाइक ये मेरी फर्स्ट कंपनी है, तो मेरे को आप थोड़ा सा गाइड कर दो कि
right.
कैसे काम करना है, कैसे क्या आगे की अप्रोच करनी है।
Sure, sure. So see, this is your first company, right? So over there, first of all, what you have to focus is what is their product about, right? Let's say
ओके।
if they ask you to test some application or some software, so get end-to-end knowledge about that software or application, right? Then think about testing it, because let's say if you think from testing from the very day one, right, then you might report some bugs which are not valid, which are invalid bugs. That would have been the behavior in that particular application, right? So first understand the software, go through the FRDs, BRDs, take your time, and literally, ask the queries to the seniors, to the business analysts, to the team managers, to the test lead, right? Whichever team that you are working with in the company. So ask questions to them about the software, about the product, about the application. Once you get a good knowledge, a good grip on the software, then you should start testing, right? I believe
ओके।
initial 2 to 3 weeks definitely will go in understanding the application. It depends on the application itself, how much complexity level is there. If it's a e-commerce based application, it would take some less time, because we are using Amazon, Flipkart, so we are habituated what is the functional flow. But if there is some other application which we are using it for the very first time, it would take some time to have that understanding, right? But what you can do is you can take the help from the people in the team, right? You can collaborate them, you can ask for help. There is nothing wrong in asking for the help, right? And jot down each and everything whichever they tell, or you might also get some videos from the company, from the organization to refer to, so that also you can see, you can watch, and then you can enhance your knowledge. This is aspect one. Second thing is they will have their test case template, right? So initially they will ask you to write test cases as well, test scenarios, so you can also discuss the method or the approach of writing test cases within your team. There will be some particular method or process that they would be following. So learn that process as well, right? It might not be happening that as soon as you get some functionality or application, directly you start testing. They would be first writing test cases, test scenarios. If they are following agile, they might be discussing with the development team, business analyst, how the feature is going to get developed and all those things. So understand that process as well, right? That is also very important, because this things will lay a base, or I would say foundation, for your career. Whatever things that you would learn from here, these things would be actually helping you in your career going forward, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, you might see that you are not that much comfortable with the process or with the application in the first few days, but don't worry about those things. As you are already telling that you have to be confident, so be confident, trust yourself, give yourself time, right? Because as
Yes.
you have just passed out from the college, so it would take some time to get habituated to the company's culture. So take some time and be passionate about this job. You have already done a lot of hard work, you have put a lot of efforts, right? Let not any negativity deviate you from getting this job in I mean turning this job into a as a successful foundation for your career. Okay, there will be people who would be doing spreading some negativity, but ignore them, right? You stay focused, you be focused, right? Understand the application, take the help from the seniors, right? And be aggressive, be passionate. Whichever things you feel these bugs are there, so once you have a good hands-on experience on the application, then you can ask them about why this bug is there, why this issue is there, why this behavior is kept like that. Then you can speak up, and then they will also realize the importance or value of having you in their team, right? They will be happy to see your contribution, right? So take care of all these things, right? Anything else, any other question?
एक या वन क्वेश्चन मोर, जैसे स्टार्टिंग में एक चीज और बताना चाहूंगा सर। उन्होंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि व्हाई डू यू चूज सॉफ्टवेयर
Hmm.
टेस्टिंग, देयर आर आल्सो अनदर फील्ड डेवलपमेंट फील्ड, तो व्हाई यू चूज।
Mhm.
तो मेरा आंसर उनको ये था कि मैं डेवलपमेंट में इतना कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ और मेरे को उतना अच्छे से नहीं आता समझ, तो मैं इसलिए टेस्टिंग में जा रहा हूँ। टेस्टिंग से ज्यादा मेरे को वो है, टेस्टिंग में मेरा ज्यादा मन है और टेस्टिंग में मेरा ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क किया है मैंने, तो टेस्टिंग में इसलिए मैं जाना चाहता हूँ। इज इट करेक्ट सर?
Correct, correct. That is right answer. See, you would be able to do the things in a more, qualitative fashion, and in the more from the quantity wise also, you will be able to deliver more if you are passionate about those things. Let's say if
यस
someone is having passion to watch cricket or play cricket, so they would be doing those tasks very, passionately. Nothing can
यस
stop them, or nothing can stop them from going beyond in those fields as well. So if you're passionate about it, you'll definitely do it. So that's the right answer that you gave, that you are passionate about doing software testing. You can also tell that your mind is analytical. Whichever things you see, you always try to find out the reasons behind those things and see to it how you can improve those things, how you can see the application giving more output or something, from that sense, from that angle as well. Like, for example, there is a web application which you just went and you observed some defects were there. So you see those things and then you want to make sure that this software is good, bug free product. So this is all things you can enhance in your answer, right? Anything else, Gautam?
नो सर, और तो कुछ नहीं है, बस इसी में थोड़ा सा हल्का सा नर्वसनेस है, बिकॉज फर्स्ट कंपनी है, पहली बार बाहर जा रहा हूँ घर से, तो इसलिए बस थोड़ा सा वो है, और बाकी कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
Right, right.
बाकी तो
Don't.
पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस हूँ
Hmm.
और अच्छे से काम करूंगा जितना आपने बताया है, और अच्छे से मेहनत करूंगा और आगे तक करने के लिए और आगे तक जाने के लिए।
Yeah, yeah, definitely. You do hard work, you put your efforts, things will automatically move in a positive direction for you, right? Don't worry about anything. Keep thinking about positive thoughts only, right? So and right, anything else you would like to ask or share?
No, sir. I
Okay.
don't have anything.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Gautam, for coming to our channel and sharing your
Thank
success
you so
story
much,
with
sir.
us.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it was our pleasure, and
Thank
I
you so
was
much, sir.
so happy for you. Right. And all the best for your career as well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you so much, Gautam.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Bye, sir.